More than a year after the Northwest Immigrant Rights Project sued President Donald Trump for attempting to strike down birthright citizenship, Matt Adams is breathing a sigh of relief.
I mean, on the one hand, it should be clear. Every court that has looked at this has said, yes, the Constitution is unambiguous. Anyone who's born here is by right of the Constitution a U.S. citizen.
Adams, on behalf of 3 then pregnant women, filed the lawsuit. The women had varying immigration statuses and all worried for the futures of their unborn children.
Under Trump's policy that he enacted, their children who are born here would not be entitled to citizenship. They'd be left in limbo without any status.
It really was too close for comfort.
Constitutional law professor Andrew Siegel says the split among the justices was surprising.
I think that if you'd told anyone just a couple of years ago this issue before the Supreme Court, they would have thought that birthright citizenship would have been reaffirmed in a strong 9-0 or 8-1 opinion. And on the constitutional issues, it was 5-4.
As for the 3 women who took the first step in challenging the Trump administration,
and all are living here in the greater King County area and are healthy kids and are relieved now that they don't have this uncertainty, that they're not forced with this idea of family separation or having to return to countries they fled to because their children would not be permitted to remain here.
with birthright citizenship upheld, every baby that is born on U.S. soil in the U.S. is considered automatically a U.S. citizen. Joyce.
So how many people could have been affected by this had birthright citizenship been struck down, Sharon?
Yeah, that number is hard to pinpoint exactly, but Pew Research Center released a study back earlier this year saying that 9% of all births that happened in 2023 were from mothers who were here without documentation or without legal status, or who were here temporarily, like on a visa. Joyce.
All right, in Seattle tonight, Sharon, thank you.